Bueno, corillo, mi gente, we in here now.
Yeah, my bad, that's your girl, we can share it. Might buy her diamonds and pearls, but can't marry.
Bueno, corillo, estamos aquí de Homie Cam. Estamos aquí, vamos a lavar el carrito para las 8 horitas. El brother, el brother de la magia aquí, a darle wax y a lavarlo un momentito para después llevarlo para el mall por la noche, como a las 1 de la noche, like a 1. We're gonna take it to the mall. So, para estar un poco sucio, él tiene el buffer y toda la vaina, then we're gonna get it right. Wash it, get it right. Sí, corillo, pues, me lo ahorita. Good for me? Bueno, ya estamos terminando de lavar el carro. El brother está dando el spray ahí, ya le echamos jabón. El brother me ayudó. We soaked it down, now he's just spraying the water off so we can get it in here and buff it and get it ready for the car meet. I think I'm gonna take it at like 10 porque tengo hasta 1 a.m. to go take it in. And you know, my boy coming with me so he can drive me back. La bestia, el duro, el animal. I got food on me. Sí, you know what I'm saying? Pero sí, corillo, vamos a terminar aquí y I'll check back in with y'all. Por ahí ya está aquí el brother dándole. ¿Con qué? ¿Qué wax es teflón?
Teflón. Puerto Rican teflón, papá. Lo criminal.
Lo mejor que hay.
Lo mejor que hay, papá.
A ver, eso está quedando. Se va hasta la cámara. Ando ahí contra los power. Una cervecita para. O sea, nos falta una cervecita, eso es mandatorio. Voy a enseñar el resultado final cuando estemos ready to go. Pero ya está lavadito. Estamos en el proceso. Corillo, ya terminamos de meterle el verdadero waxing. Ahí el pana está echando el dressing a la goma. Ay, pero esto quedó aniquilado. Mira eso, bro. Vamos ready para el show. Gracias al brother, le metió mano ahí. Shit, bro. Shit very bueno, cabrón. I said she was funny, huh? You look stupid. Nah, pero quedó ready. Está ahí shine. Así que estamos ready para el show, para llevarlo para allá. Pero el problema es que yo tengo medio tanque de gasolina y tengo que llevar un cabrón cuarto. Pero el mall es como a 40 minutos. So, yo espero que yo metiéndole el chambón por ahí para abajo a 120 se me vaya la gasolina para el carajo, obligado. Porque si no, los bomberos no me dejan entrar para el mall. So, hay que bregar con eso. Después que breguemos con eso, estamos 100% ready to go. Pero hasta ahora vamos bien. Lo tengo que llevar hoy entre las 9 de la noche and 1 a.m. So, between those hours, 9 and 1 a.m. And between those hours, I gotta take it to the mall. So, or tomorrow, 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Between those hours. Because I think the mall's open at 10. For everybody to see my car. So, if we don't run out of gas. What? I think we'll run out of gas, right? I think we'll run through the gas. Ain't no way I don't run through gas. What the fuck? Like, we gonna run through gas today. Pero, that's culito. Anyway, pues, corillo. El verdadero dressing. Vamos a bajarlo aquí un rato. And then I'll check back in with y'all when I'm burning. I'll check it back in cuando esté quemando la verdadera gasolina. Por ahí para abajo, pata suelta. Boom. Corillo, ya terminamos. Ya terminamos, corillo. Eso está ready ahí. Ready to go. Y el brother dijo, papi, yo voy a hacer una pizza Puerto Rican style con pan de agua, cabrón. Yo voy a meterle mano. Bro. ¿Cómo quedó eso? ¿No? ¿Le metiste de dembow?
Vamos a ver, porque yo compré los materiales ahí.
Quedó bien, se ve, cabrón. Le métele más. Sin miedo al éxito.
Ese es bullshit.
Ahí va a comer. Y bullshitting. Hablamos en Marte, corillo. Oh yeah, we getting down parking right quick.
Just hang tight for me, my bad. We just got out. We gotta fucking push cars now.
Oh damn, alright, you good. So we just got in here to the mall, cabrón. You see, he driving in. They just told us we gotta push the car in. So, god damn, it's gonna be a lot of fucking pushing.
We only got one bitch to push, and that's this one. Yo, fuck the
Diablo, cabrón. But yeah, we about to find out. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Driving in the mall type shit.
Driving this out the mall type shit, bro.
Hey guys, you guys are getting workout today.
I got employed today.
That's right.
Where's my tips?
Where's your tip? Is that what you said? Start pointing.
Where's your mother shit?
Hard right. Loosen a little bit. Yep, back. Straight up. Full straight. All right, just avoid all of those.
I got you.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
We in the mall now.
You know what I'm saying? Beat mall shit.
Damn.
So, hey, bro, how was your experience just turning? He's dead.
Strong as shit.
What did they say? Odio cabrón?
Diablo, cabrón. It's kind of lit.
It's lit as hell, man. This ain't, look, this ain't your regular shit. You don't see this every day. You guys could be just like this, man, one day. You could be like YEZUZVERT.
Damn, bro. I feel bad for them. If I could go help him, I would.
He lying.
I'm lying. Just get them off. Just give me a little. Damn, this.
Fun when we were driving though. It's kind of fun. It sucks.
Oh, 150.
I made it. I'm good. God damn. Strong ass fucking turn. Whoop. Boom.
So how was that turn compared to the first one?
Fucking sweating. Wanna hear my two step?
Yeah, let him hit it at the How your pops do? Goddamn, sound like he shitted on you.
My journey, so we fly.
Oh yeah, man. We ain't journeys for this shit, man. Yeah, man.
God. Hey, yo, this fat ass pole, bro.
Ooh, that's a good point. Are we, Mario? Are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going on this one? This way. Okay.
I'm good on this pole, bro.
Watch that.
Oh. Oh. Bueno, Corillo, mi gente, we in here now. You know the vibes, cabrón. We in here now. We in the mall. You know the vibe. You know, like I had to vlog. I had to bring the vlog out. We got my boy Omar. So what's up? Got okay? We got his whip right here.
Oh, his door is going like that?
Oh yeah, that's why he in here. Trying to figure out. The more you fuck around, the more you find out. We got my boy Type R. CC. Track look good in the light.
Nah, that is crazy colors.
In the light, it should look fire. Yeah. Bad thing is, they gotta push 150 cars.
Yeah, I know. I'm glad I came in one of the first ones.
For real.
I got to drive it to here.
Oh, for real?
Well, it's about 20 feet that way or so.
Yeah, that was pushing
The
mine.
security's like, turn the car
The
off.
fucking steering wheel was hard as shit.
My
Yeah,
car
I had
was
to steer.
Oh yeah.
My car.
So Yeah, we in here now just chilling. But this shit is crazy. Lighting in here, I need a reel to go viral. On the top. On the TV. But we in here lit, you know. Pero sí, cabrón. Estamos aquí activos en el tipo R. Estamos esperando para parquearnos. No podemos mover los carros ni prenderlos, pero estamos aquí adentro, so it's cool. Aparte de eso, estamos activos, baby. El tiro ahorita. Bang.
Cabrón, say what's up to the camera.
No, fuck that shit out the way, nigga. Get my nigga rolling.
Oh, my nigga rolling. Fuck you.
Fuck that nigga. Yeah. Damn, we in the mall with it.
Where we at with it?
This bitch, we in the mall with it. Damn, nigga, back the fuck up.
Oh, my fault.
Aléjate. I don't know my fucking steering wheel. God damn.
Yeah, he driving the mall. Fuck it.
Yeah, stop being a dickhead. Fucking. That's this bitch.
How they gonna kick you out?
I don't know, they're gonna kick my car.
Mall gonna smell like straight gasolina.
Stalls out.
Imagine.
Imagine stalling out in here.
The mall closed.
Left side. Alright.
Damn, that was like perfect. Keep going a little bit more. Straight on. Straight ahead. Perfect.
Straight.
Keep going a little more.
Alright, I'm gonna stop the shit.
Bueno, Corillo, we parked already. Estamos parqueados aquí after 7 con el brother. With my boy. There's like gas in here. Pero estamos aquí activos. We just parked. We ended up driving him because ain't nobody pushing him in the car, so we just ended up driving him. I'm looking around for marks and anything I can wipe out. Me siga o no me siga. Estamos aquí activos. Un motorcito, maybe in the morning. Y ya. Estamos activos. Pero ya, estamos aquí en el mall. Caminan por el medio, los porquitos estos, los que me toman el carro, los borramos el mapa, me sigue o no me sigue. Pero, sí, cabrón. Si quieres ver mi carro, también este video, y esto pasó, pero era en el mall de Rally Triangle, Canto Punto, sapo. No viniste y viste mi post, me cago en ti. Este animal, esta batata atrás mío, embuste. Se ve bien, tiene air y todo. Ey, no pegue esa vaina mucho, coñazo, esa mierda. Bueno, ahora nos vamos, venimos en la mañana y que veamos el vlog. This is clean. It wants to pay the $100. But nah, we not just leaving. Yeah, that shit clean. That shit clean. At least it's clean, at least.
Yeah, it's clean. But they paid $100.
Not me. We about to.
Let me get this cotton candy. Why y'all trying to stop?
Nah, we leaving now. Mañana venimos otra vez in the morning. What time you gonna be here tomorrow?
Right.
I'll be like 11, yeah, 12. Damn. Yeah, cabrón. But yeah, we about to leave now. I ain't no more standing around, fuck bullshit.
I'm trying to get robbed.
So, we'll be here tomorrow.
That bitch is clean as shit though.
Oh yeah. Gotta vote. Nos fuimos, corillo. Yo creo que al final de este vlog. So, make sure to subscribe and motherfucking comment, you little bitch. I meant to call you a bitch, bro.